today we are going to create one of the domains that will handle our invoices in this system. So invoices. So as per now we have everything. The customer can order for all these lab tests, ultrasound scan, some treatments which are drugs, some procedures that will be done like wound dressing and the rest. Then we have a section where we have that section takes care of admitted patients, and then we have another section for the invoice and payment. So this section is still blank. Right now we're going to create we're going to just create its domain, and then we create its database, then we restructure the UI, and then we see how we shall have everything here, plus the total amounts which are here, ultrasound 20K, lab test, all that, and then the total amount invoiced, it will be also indicating on the invoice. Then we shall go ahead to do the payments, and we see how we can receive payments on those invoices, on every invoice that would be done. Okay, so let's go on. Let's open our start with IDE. Here we have the rest of the domains, but we're going to create an invoice domain. So under domain repo, or can create a new class called invoice. Yeah, invoice. So like all invoices, it must, like all domains, it must extend panache. We are using a quarkus, must extend panache entity, and should be annotated as entity. Assistance entity, and then we can go to our columns now. We would want to have let us first check on our previous system. We'll see what we have for invoices. So these are invoices. So when creating an invoice, or for example, if you try to visit one of the invoices, so this is what we have: an invoice number, date, balance due, from, then to, TIN, address, and the reference, and also the invoice payments. So it also has the total amount and the amount paid, meaning first of all we shall have an invoice number. So we're going to make it a public will be kind of a string because we're gonna have to add some other things on it. So this is invoice number. And then what else? And I should have the date. We already have a date sample and the payment. Just copy this. Invoice. So I have a column that has a JSON date format. In that year, month, and date, you have to stipulate the format in which date will be. So this is date of payment. Now in this case, this will be date of invoice. Okay. That's the date the invoice is created. Then what else should we have? The balance due. Balance due can just be a column containing a public int, I think, or a big decimal. And we have the T. In this case is an integer. There's no we can have a big decimal as a tin. Tin is an integer, but sometimes you never know, it could be a combination of letters, so it's safer to make it public. We shall add more restrictions on the side of the UI. So it's a public string. From to from address. That's the company address, because from is actually the company. It's the one that is issuing. We shall use company name for from, because it's the one that is issuing the invoice. Then two, that's the client. The invoice is being given to the client, so public string. This is to address. So I need to capture both addresses, the business address and the client address. What else? We have a reference. The references are not the same, but we can have the same reference. References could be a random number. Then what else? Okay, we have a total. Before that, we have a subtotal. I think we have a subtotal. Okay. Ultimately, we have a subtotal, which is a public big decimal. Then we have a discount. So take a big decimal. We have tax. It's not mandatory, but it's also public. Yeah, tax is in form of a big decimal. Tax levied. We have it should also be decimal. Yes, the total amount. And we have paid. Don't ask me the getters and setters. This is quarkus. Does it automatically, so there's no need of stipulating the getters and the setters. We have the balance do, which is already there. Okay, that's it. We are good to go. Okay. Then the notes. Need more notes. So it's a public string in case you need to put some notes. So that's our domain. And once you're done with domain, now we can go on to creating a repo. Okay. That will be in the next video.